What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media networks, both Instagram and Snapchat. So as you guys know, my clothing line is now live. Go ahead and check the first link in the description below on Teespring to check out the new merch. And while you're at it, use code STEALTHY15. That gets you 15% off, good until the end of 2019. So we developed a little bit of a problem. We have a little bit of an oil leak. I believe it is the oil feed line going to the turbo. So first thing that we're going to do is remove the cowl. So to remove the cowl, you simply remove these vent pieces by pulling it up like so. Both of them are off. You got a T30 right here, 2 bolts on the inside. I believe one's a 13, one's a 10. And remove the wipers. Take this cap off. And we got a 15 right there. Make sure you mark it with a paint pen so you can line it up well. Alright, so the cowl is officially off. Next up, I'm going to take this lower part of the intake off. Simply remove this nut here and the one closest to the turbo. And just like that, we do have that portion of the intake up. Let's see if I can get some light for you guys. Way too bright. Focus, focus, focus. So the line is actually right back here. This silver line, it's where that bolt connects right on the top. You're not going to be able to see it, unfortunately, but that line has to come off, and then the other line's on the bottom. And right there. Alright, so there is the oil feed line with oil dripping from it, so we're going to go ahead and remove that, and the other one's on top, as you guys saw, and then we just have to put the new one on. I'm pretty sure that's where all the oil is coming from. I don't see much oil above it. Alright, so I got everything buttoned up on the front out here, everything except for the cowl. I got the intake back in place. I put the oil feed line back on, hoping that solves the issue. A piece of cardboard underneath, leaving it sit for a few minutes, then starting it and checking to see if there's any oil that's running through. I did add a little bit of oil because the leak was pretty significant, so I ordered 2 quarts of oil just in case I have to drive this thing to a shop in the morning and have the oil feed line done by a professional. Hopefully that's not the case, but we'll see. Hopefully everything is solved. Alright, so obviously we had a mess. That's not a good thing. That means we were leaking oil, and a lot of it. Alright guys, so an unfortunate end to today's night. I wasn't able to fix the RS. Obviously it squirted oil everywhere. I didn't catch it on camera, or maybe I did. I'm not 100% sure at this time because I was recording the back of the car. I doubt you'll be able to hear it squirting on this camera because you're probably going to hear the exhaust over it. So I'm going to have the car towed to our shop in the morning. I already spoke to the owner. Hopefully he could get to it tomorrow. If not, it will be the next day. And from there, I guess all we could do is see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think is going to happen with the RS at this point. The banjo bolt that screws into the block is pretty much stripped. The block is stripped, so that's no good. It got cross-threaded somehow, and a little bummed out about it. Anyhow, I'm checking out. No. Yeah, boy.